Hi kids, welcome to Art Class Adventures, where creativity comes to life. Today, we're going to join our friends in a fun and colorful art class. Are you ready to paint and have some fun? Let's go! Good morning, everyone. Today, we're going to paint a beautiful landscape. Who's excited? Me! Great! Let's start by picking our favorite colors. Remember, in art, there are no mistakes, just happy accidents. So, let's be creative and have fun! Look at all the amazing colors. Some kids are painting green trees, while others are painting bright yellow suns. What do you think you'll paint if you were here? Hey friends, do you like painting too? What's your favorite thing to draw or paint? Maybe you can join us and paint along. Watch how I blend the blue and white to make a beautiful sky. You can try this technique too. Just take a little bit of blue and a little bit of white and mix them together. Wow, look at all these wonderful paintings. Each one is unique and special, just like you. Remember, art is all about expressing yourself and having fun. All right, artists, it's time to clean up. Let's put our brushes in the water and wipe our tables. Good job, everyone! Thanks for joining us in Art Class Adventures. We had so much fun painting together. Don't forget to keep creating and exploring your imagination. See you next time. Keep creating and stay creative.